Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is our week 17 of our 52-week challenge. I hope everybody is doing extremely well during this time and I hope that y'all are knocking out this challenge. So before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know if you are new or if you are a returner. And if you have a channel that I don't know of, let me know down below and I will go and support you guys. All right, you guys, so week 17. We're not halfway there, but you know, we're getting close though. All right, so I'm just gonna move this aside for right now. Now, this is a big week. I'm just letting you know, this is a very big week, you guys, because of course, we are going to try to knock out one of our bigger bills, or not bills, but one of our bigger amounts. And today, drum roll, please, we are doing $52. So we are going to knock out the biggest amount possible, which is $52, and it's going to give me such a sense of relief to knock out the largest amount, the scariest amount pretty much. So yeah, so that is how much we are going to put down today. And we are just going to go ahead and color it in. Now, when you're watching this, I actually got off at 7 a.m. today. And it was tiring. I had a very tired night at work, and I still have to go in tonight and do it one more time for 10 hours, I think. Yeah, 10 hours. So I actually slept only for like 3 hours maybe today. So I'm going to go and take a nap after I film this and upload it, edit, and everything else, so I can be ready for tonight. But you guys, this is just amazing. It's so satisfying that I get to knock out a bigger amount. And let me know down below how much you are going to be putting down this week in your challenge. Alright, so that is 52 and we already colored it. So we're going to take our snowflake box. Let's see. Okay. Alright, this probably might be a little tough. Let's see. So I know I'm going to have to switch these around, because that's going to make me get 100. Now, don't come at me because the money is out of order. It's just going to be easier for me to count it. Alright, 50, 100, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 200. 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, and 56. So $356 is how much we have right now. And that is amazing. 300 and, oh, my pen is going out, you guys. Let's see. 300, oh no. I can't find a good pen. $356. And what I am writing in is in my Erin Condren. This is the 7.9 Deluxe Planner that I got off of their website. And now if you would like to own your own personal planner, whether you are a teacher or a budgeter or generally just a planner really, then this planner is for you guys. And when you sign up for free under my link, you get $10 off your first purchase, and then I get $10 also to go towards like stickers that I want to buy or a new planner for the upcoming year, you know, anything like that. But that is essentially it, you guys. Short, sweet, and to the point. So it is week 17. We put $52 in, and then we are at a whopping $356. I hope y'all have a great week and keep on saving, you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.